Hi nail friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this nail haul for you guys. I picked up a few nail products and I just thought I'd share with you all the stuff that I purchased. So stay tuned if you want to see what I got. I purchased 2 dip powders from Rossi nails, one of them being this pink glitter dip powder which is called It's Summertime, which is a really gorgeous pink. This wasn't what I was expecting. The glitter is beautiful, but with the ratio of glitter to clear, I'm not sure how good it would be for color blocking. But I'll give it a try. It might work. Besides that, it's a really nice dip powder for when you're doing a full glitter nail. I also picked up this gorgeous yellow dip powder, which is a bright neon yellow, and it's great for the summer. So since summer is right around the corner, I purchased some Revel nail dip powders. So the kit I purchased is this neon color dip powder kit. It consists of 4 colors as well as the base, activator, top coat and gel thinners. While looking at the liquids, I realized that it looked different, but I couldn't put my finger on what exactly looked different until a week later, where I realized that the bottles had a clear area for you to see the amount of liquids inside the bottle, and I really like that. So let's take a look at the dip powders that I purchased. So this one here is this beautiful orange known as Athena. Wow, do you guys see how gorgeous this orange is? It kind of looks red, but it's orange, okay guys? Then we have this beautiful purple, which is known as Rhythm. This one is super bright and gorgeous as well. Then we have this pink dip powder known as Flippant. Wow, so gorgeous. And then we have this yellow dip powder known as Blake, which is a gorgeous yellow as well. So I am just showing you the Rossi on the right and the left is Revel, just to show you guys how different they are. So I also picked up this green dip powder because I just couldn't resist, and it's called Charged, which is this beautiful green dip powder. And I also picked up this blue dip powder which is called Bombshell, and Revel Nail was so kind to send me a 1 ounce jar of blue dip powder when I only purchased a 0.5 ounce. So thank you, Revel. So Modelones sent me this nail strengthener to try out. I would be using it in between nail designs to keep my nails looking healthy and strong. I'll leave a link to everything I got in the description below. Modelones also sent me some gel polishes to test out, and I really love the packaging. I love the wooden handle. It's really nice and unique. So I'll be doing some swatches for you guys. So this one is called Cranberry, which is a super gorgeous red. It needed 3 coats to reach full opacity. You could have gotten away with 2 coats, but I wanted 3. And this is really a true representation of the color on the bottle. So this is it after 3 coats, and I'll be showing you guys the bottle to show you how. Yeah, okay. Now this is my first time using gel with this type of bottle. I used to see it on YouTube and wondered how uncomfortable this must be to use, but it's really nice. I love the feel of it and it's really unique. So the yellow is called Lemonade, and it's a really nice yellow which needed 2 coats to reach full opacity. Now this orange here didn't quite match the color in the bottle, but I really like this orange gel polish. It reached full opacity on the 2nd layer and it's kind of like a burnt orange, and I really love it. Now on to the Christmas inspired set of gel polishes. The name alone screams Christmas, but that doesn't mean we can't use it all through the year. So we have Jingle Bell, which is a bronze color glitter. On the bottle and on the website it looked gold, but as you can see it's not. It's a nice color, but I would have preferred the gold. This needed 2 layers to reach full opacity. So now this is called Shiny Snowflake, which is this iridescent white glitter. This is usually used on top of solid colors to make a nice glitter ombre or whatever you want to make on it with glitter, and can also be used alone as well. It's a really nice glitter. Now this one is called Gift Stock, which is this gorgeous glitter red. It's so nice. So as I said before, I would like to do more gel polish nail designs, but gel is a little different from actual nail polish as it is thicker, but I'm getting the hang of it. I would like to do some nice designs and see how I do. I know I'm gonna be really crappy at first, but I might give it a go. You never know. I might even document my progress from shitty to amazing. Who knows? So a week later, they sent me this 3-set gel paint, and I was really excited because this was my first time with gel paint. So there is a 004, which is a pink, a 008, which is a dark plum color, and 011 is a silver. So I'm just going to be swatching these. I did 2 layers on each. When I thought I had somewhat mastered gel polish a little, here comes gel paint to set me back. These swatches came out really streaky. It's not the same consistency as gel polishes. So I didn't know what I was doing. The only one that came out good was the silver, and the silver was very smooth, but these came out very streaky. I really don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, you know. I don't know if it's the temperature that caused it to be so stiff, you know, because I find the pink and this color here was very stiff. But the silver wasn't as stiff, you know, the silver was really smooth to apply. But when I placed the top coat on these colors, you didn't see the streaks after. So, you know, that was a good thing. It's just hard to apply. I don't know if I was doing it right. I don't know if the consistency of the paint, the gel paint, was correct. I don't know anything about gel paint. This was my first time. I just tried it out. Do you guys see how smooth that is? I don't know why the others weren't like that, but this one was really nice to apply. So these are all the swatches right here. So this is the end of my nail haul, and if you like this video, check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!